Namaste everyone. So today we are going to talk how we can create our PostgreSQL public URL. So after you have deployed PostgreSQL, or let me say after you have created a container for PostgreSQL and you will see this running status on that container, then you need a URL which should have to be used in your project. But if you look at the URL over here, this is not the public URL that can be used in our project. This is just internal URL which can be used only inside our VPS. So for that one, how to do it then? So just scroll down and you will see here a proxy title over there, and you will see a make it a publicly available text with a checkbox. Now you can directly click on that. It will require some public port, means you need to expose a port number to the outside environment. Means if outside environment has to get data from here, then you need to expose that data from a port. It is like a hole, means the data will transfer from that hole, or it is like a channel, the data will transfer to that channel. So for that one, I will just write down here 6432. I will write down this port, and you have to be careful that the port number which we are using over here, that must not have to be used by any other resources over your VPS. So this is free for now, I guess, in mine VPS. So after writing the port number, I will click on make it publicly available. And if that port is free, then your database will be public. So what happened? Logs. Okay, yes. So database is now publicly accessible. So here you can see the PostgreSQL public. Now you can use this URL into your project and do different kind of tasks, or do have different kind of commands interact with your database. Thank you for now. We'll look at different kind of things in next episode.